Hi, this is Charlie giving you Friday's live trading video. Hope you're very well. Excuse the rough voice this morning. I'm in the trading room with the guys here because it's a Friday, but not every Friday am I in the trading room. It's every other Friday these days. So anyway, we're sat here looking for some trades. It's just after 8 o'clock in the morning, and so there's not too much going on at the moment. As we can see, Euro had a nice spike up yesterday. Just got the Euro dollar trade on, chart on. It could be that there's another trade on the Euro at some point today. I want to see a bit more strength come in, so we'll see how it gets on. But it's doing okay at the moment. So I'll press pause for now. Okay, just back, and we've been sat around today. There's not been too much going on, so we're here all afternoon in the trading room. And so we just got some news coming out now. So we've got the inflation figures coming out of the US. So we've got the euro dollar up here. Let's just see how it moves. Okay, I haven't seen what the figure is yet, but the dollar's not liking it so far. So the potential, if the euro dollar can come up enough, then there is a potential for me to get on the long side, but only if it can come up. It's not doing enough at the moment. We'll have to see. So if it can come up a little bit more, it could get interesting. So I'll press pause for now, because this one could be of interest in the next few minutes. Okay, just back. We're seeing this euro is strengthening at the moment. All the momentum and everything is pointing to the upside. So I'm going to put a unit in immediately there at 112.39 or so. 112.40. So I've just put a unit in. I can just put a stop below the range that we've had here, because this really needs to go, not to then come all the way back. So I can afford to have a stop down here at sort of 112.20 something. So I'm going to put that in. So 112.22, 112, yeah, below this range here of the last 3 hours. So I'll put a stop at 112.22. And then we'll see how we go. But there's other potential trades here this afternoon as well, maybe on the indices or whatever. So, but for now, long euro dollar, stop down at 112.40. Nearest, damn it, it's 39, whatever it was. And with a stop down at 112.22. I shall be looking for a break higher, or a continued break higher, should I say. It could well be that I stay in this trade, that I'm not looking to bank to cash out, not today. So it could well be that I'm just seeing the potential for more upside. So I'll do some analysis with the guys in the trading room here, and here's the guys. So here's the trading room, so you can see the guys are in there today, and so I'll do some analysis with them as regards to potential profit targets, and then we'll come back to this. Just give me, yeah, I'll just press pause. Okay, so what I'm looking for on this euro is the potential. There's different options here as far as targets. I've just been going through all of this. So we've got this high here. This is at high is at 112.65. So option is to bank profit at 112.65. So it'd be about 25 pips. Because the market could easily want to float up to there, because there could well be a lot of stops in that area. We've had this prior high here as well, so there's going to be a fair few stops in that zone. So that's an option for the out and out day traders, and I know I'm doing this video, but I must say I see the potential. If it gets up that high, if we go out to the daily chart, that high is this high here. Okay, that's related to this. But I think if it's going to get and breach that shooting star type candle there, a reversal candle, then the next levels are up that bit higher. So I'm actually going to be holding on for a minimum of about 113, nice round number. So I'm going to hold on for longer on that one. So, but anyway, as an option. I don't even know if it could get to 112.65. It's only here on my chart, but you've got to bear in mind the euro dollar is not exactly the most spectacularly performing
currency pair at the moment. So it might be a bit of a laboursome project for it to get up there today. It could do, but what I'm trying to say is, even if it doesn't get up there today, I'll hold this and see if it can get up there going into the early part of next week. All right, but I'm not personally. I'm not going to bank at that point anyway. I'm going to look for 113 as far as this trade is concerned. Okay, so that would be about just on about 60 pips, wouldn't it? Yeah. So I shall press pause for now. Okay, just back here, and the euro trade that was taken at 40, we can see that prices come up, and these black lines on my chart just show prior day's high, prior day's low. Depending on which chart I'm showing, that sometimes it will show a black line and sometimes it shows a purple line. But anyway, so we've come up into yesterday's highs, and as we can see right now, we're having a bit of a reaction to that. But I'm still going to be looking ultimately for that other levels to come in up at 112.65 zone. Anyway, we'll come back to this later. Right, okay, and so here we are. It's 10 past 4 on the euro. I want to get this video at least finished, the recording finished. So we've had a little run up to these prior highs. And it's just backed off away from that. So, like I keep saying, looking for it to go higher. We'll have to see. Just going to sit on this one into next week. It seems to have been like that lately. In the last couple of times when I've been doing the these recorded videos, recorded live trading, that I've been having to wait into the next whatever trading session. So we'll have to see. So anyway, target still remains up there in that 1265 zone, but I can see that potential for it to go that bit higher. But first things first, it may have just had enough. It's gone 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon in the currency market. It may not do much more. Anyway, I'll leave you to it. Have a nice weekend. See you next week.